In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to text using Google Drive. This is a quick, reliable way to turn a picture of text, or even a scanned PDF, into editable words using the tools you already have. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, log into Google Drive. Head to drive.google.com in your browser and sign in with your Google account. This puts everything in one place and lets Google's built-in text recognition, also called OCR, do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Next, locate the file you want to work with. If it's already in your drive, great. Just find it in your folders or use the search bar at the top. This process works well for common image formats like JPG and PNG, and it also handles scanned PDFs. The clearer the image and the higher the contrast, the better your results will be. If your file has skewed pages, shadows, or tiny text, the accuracy can drop, so it helps to choose the cleanest version you have. Now open the image in Google Docs. Right-click the file in Drive, hover over Open With, and select Google Docs. When you do this, Drive sends the file to Google Docs, which automatically tries to recognize and extract the text. This can take a few seconds, especially with larger files or multi-page PDFs, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. You don't need to tweak settings, the recognition runs automatically. Finally, view the converted text. Google Docs will open a new document. At the top, you'll see the original image as a reference. Beneath it, you'll find the text that Google extracted. You can click straight into the text area to edit, copy, or format it like any normal document. It's common to see minor quirks, such as extra line breaks, misread characters, or lost bold and italics, especially if the original had unusual fonts, tight spacing, or columns. Give it a quick proofread and tidy up anything that looks off. If you're dealing with multiple pages, scroll down to see more text. If part of the image didn't convert well, try a clearer source image or adjust brightness and contrast before running it again. And that's it. You logged into Google Drive, found your file, opened it with Google Docs to trigger OCR, and reviewed the extracted text underneath the image. With these simple steps, you can turn images or scanned PDFs into editable, searchable text in minutes.